Peace and love, YouTube family. So this is a day later, and we've got our Earth Core Electroculture Harmonizer Antenna all boxed up, ready to ship out to the sister. And yesterday in the shop, we manifested a holy trinity. So Brother Spence will describe why and just explain a little bit deeper.
Yeah, so this is like a gift to the land here and myself. Ever since knowing Stephen and his work, we've been talking about getting a kind of signature piece on the land here. Obviously, we use cloud busters and chem busters and all these different types of technologies to protect and support the soil and the land, just as I am preaching the good news across Instagram and all of those kind of things. But I knew in my heart, and the land kept asking for an electroculture antenna system, and this is what has manifested. We're going to be putting this on top of an antenna similar to the ones that you have seen us create. And yeah, this just unfolded really naturally, really beautifully. The land has been asking me for a while for the Holy Trinity. I think it's a very classic design. This is Stephen's take on the classic design. And we wanted something that was, the word that came through was really burly. Where I am, there's a lot of chemtrails. There's just a lot of energy here. And the way the property is set up, it has like a lot of very tall trees around it. Ancient trees, cedar trees, trees that are, I can't even put my hands around. And we know with this comes something called the parasol effect, where these trees that are antennas, they absorb and they manipulate the aether quite extensively. So these technologies, if we put them on a land, if they're not above the trees, can sometimes not work as effectively. So that's why I wanted to make sure we were bringing in something that was really heavy duty. That's why we used the 6 gauge and the double twisted 12 gauge, because this is going to be able to work with the trees. And honestly, this is so powerful that the trees keep telling me that as we just clean the aether locally and the atmospheric energy on the antenna about 8 feet off the ground, this is going to transmit beneficial life force energies into the trees, and the trees themselves will become huge resonant antennas of the energy of what we're cleaning here. So it's really a double win, because we know that the trees, they're grounding and balancing a lot of this cosmic energy that's coming in. That's the role of trees on the earth plane. And now we get to synergize with them with that beautiful tree-human connection of creating this holy trinity that will work differently than the trees on the aether, but will be able to synergize and help the trees. The trees will help us broadcast it, essentially. So this system was very intentionally designed to work with this landscape. I'm a big believer in making sure, if you're purchasing from Stephen in the shop, that you're purchasing something that feels well and that the land is guiding. That's going to make it a lot easier, or better yet, if it is in your budget, to get it custom shopped, to get it actually tuned, to have someone go in like myself or Stephen and douse the land remotely, get readings on the land, trusting your intuition, and then designing and co-creating the piece and aligning it with the harmonics of the land. To me, that's always going to provide the maximum benefit for your investment. These things are, you're obviously investing your time and energy and your money to bring one of these to the land. So we want to always make sure that it's optimal, that it's effective, and that the land really desires and wants it.
It's a beautiful piece, so we're going to mount it to the antenna, and yeah, we'll keep you updated. Just wanting to share, this is a beautiful new creation that is on our earth plane. As we said, we have a Vogel cut style clear quartz crystal right in the coil there, and it's sitting right and centered, and this one just came effortlessly. It just flowed through. Obviously, you got to know what you're doing. Feel free to reach out to us. There's courses, ebooks, and if you want one of these, then we can make you one.
Yep.
Pretty simple. And the more of these on Earth, the more light, the more high frequency the more unity, the more coherence, harmony, balance, vitality, all of the
parasites hate these things, let's just put it that way, because they just bring balanced harmonics to the land and return humanity to our role as stewards and divine creators. Because when we are bathed in these glorious energies, the electrosmog, the chemtrails, it has no impact. It's neutralized. It's you know, it becomes a joke as we put these all across the earth plane. There's really nothing that can touch us, and we're going to continue to preach this good news far and wide across the interwebs and in person until these are absolutely everywhere.
We just doubled the field. I have no idea. I'm saying this one, who knows? This one's probably thousands of kilometers. I mean, Slim's OG cosmic wash tub, this size with the Sacred and Lost, Slim was saying that it reached up to 4,000 kilometers. So this one has an extra harmonizer in it with the 6 gauge. So only God knows the reach.
Yeah, and then you add the trees on top of it, and it's...
Only God knows the reach.
Yep.
Anyways, we're going to get to it in the shop. Happy to share. And we love you. We'll see you soon.